just wanted to show you some of the details on these new products that we've got in there from Cycle of Good. And they're made out of, again, waste materials. In this case, they're made out of recycled lorry curtain, which I think is great because all this would end up in landfill if they weren't repurposing it. So we've got 3 sizes. They're little cube bags, little, medium, big. The big is about 36 centimetres long, and you can use it for any manner of things. I'm using it for all my light bulbs. It would be great for tools, toys, any sort of equipment really. What I really like about them is they've got a really neat little pull zip there, and we've got a really nice stitched inner tube handle. So you've got a small one and you've got a long one there, so you could also hang that up in the shed or something. That would be great. The medium-sized one, I'm using it for my cat stuff, so brushes, etc. You could use it for baths. And again, really nice little zip closure, bright red on the bottom, really sturdy, strong, durable. The other one I haven't opened up yet. I'm probably going to use that for my toiletries. Again, you've got the handle, a long strap. They come flat packed like that. And just another great product made out of waste materials from Cycle of Good.